Okay, hello everybody, my name is Rico and in here I will talk about linked lists using array. Let's just start it. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry if my English is so bad and I hope all of you will understand about my explanation. Okay, then in here I will explain about linked list using array. Okay, in previous video or previous chapter, all of you has been learn about linked list using pointer. Yeah, I will make an illustration for you with this paint. Okay, in here there is variable with named list with value 5. It means that the linked list is started from index 5 in here. Okay, and then empty with value of this is 3. It means that the empty index is started from 3. Okay, you must know that in this linked list using array there is two linked lists. First linked list of the data and the second is linked list of the empty index. Okay, you must know about that. Next, after you know about this variable and this variable, next we will try to read this what is that, this data. Okay, first is linked list is started from 5, so let's just read from this. Okay, I will change the color of the pen. Let's focus in here. So the info is 10. So the first node is 10. Then we'll write this next data. In this next data, it is show that the value is 7. So we will go to index 7 in here. Okay, in here we will read the info and then read the next index, of course. Okay, so we will read that. It means that the second node is 15. So let's just write in here. Okay, after we read the second node, we need to read the next index. The next index is 1. So 1 is go to here. In index 1, we found that the info is 25. So we need to write this. And the next is 8. So we will go to here. In 8, we found that the info is 40. And the next is 10. So we'll go to index 10 in here. In index 10 we found that the info is 60. So we will write in here 60. And we found that the next is 0. If the next is 0, it means that in previous linked list is same with the next is equals to null. Yep. So if the next is 0, it means the looping to read the node is stopped. Okay, after we read the linked list, we need to read the empty index in here. As I say in the beginning, linked list using array is have two linked lists. There is linked list from for the node, the data, info, and second linked list is for the empty index. Okay. For the empty index, we know that the empty index has started from index 3. Empty equals to 3 in here. So we will read from this point. and we will read the empty is 3, and then we will read the next of this empty index is 6. So we'll go to index 6 in here, and we will read in here index 6, and then we will read the next is 2. So we will go to index 2, and in here we will write the third empty index is 2, and then we will go to index 9 in here, and then we will go to 4, and in 4 we will find that it is 0, so it is the last empty index in here. So we will write in here, it means 9. Okay, sorry, it's 2. Oopsie. 3, 6, 2, 9, and 4, like that. Okay. So it is the list, and it is the empty list or empty index. I hope you all understand about this illustration, and so we can go to the next part of this video. And here we will try to illustrate how to insert node in this linked list using array. Let's just start it. Okay, first we will make sure that you know about empty and the list. For this case, we will use the insert node. Insert node, maybe 20. Yeah. Now in here, in this function, we'll try to search the info is greater than 20 with looping, yeah, with condition if the info is greater than 20, so it will be inserted in there. Okay, so in here we will try to make the illustration about this. Okay, in here we will try to insert 20 for the info. So it not always take the first in empty index in here, so it will be in the here. 20 is in here, and then we know that the next we know that this index is not empty anymore, so it will be deleted from here. Now to delete from here, we should change this with 6, and then we should delete this from here, like that. Okay, after that we will try to find out the value of this next. Okay, for this the way to search this next is first we will search the node that greater than 20 from the beginning of the linked list. So we will try for this one, because the list is start from the index 5. Is 10 greater than 20? It absolutely no. Okay, so we will go to next index in 7. 7 is 15. Is 15 greater than 20? It is absolutely no. Then we will go to index 1. Is index 1 or is 25 greater than 20? Yes, of course. We will put this node between this one and this one. Now, how to do that? How the way to do that? Okay, though, you can change this next with 1, and then change this one with index of the new node. It is 3, right? Like that. Okay, with this new node, so if we want to read again, the data is not the same with this anymore, because there is new node with 20 value in there. So the new data is, okay, let's just read from the 5. So it is 10, because its info is 10, and let's go to the 7. 7 is 15, and then the next is 3, so we will go to in here. 3 is 20, right? And then go to 1. 1 is 25, and then we will go to 8. 8 is 40, and then we will go to 10, and then we found that the info is 60, and the next is 0, so the last of the linked list, like that. Okay, the next part is to delete node. In example, I will delete 15 here. So first we will try to search where is the 15 position. I will try with we will try from the first index in here. So we'll focus in here. Is 10 equals to 15? Here's absolutely no. So it will be next to index 7. Is 15 equals to 15? It is yes. So it will be the deleted node. In here we will save this one. We will save this next to a new variable. Maybe it will be save 1 or memory card 1. Memory card, yeah, like that. Number 1 is to save the 3 from this, and after this we will catch this and save this to memory 2. Okay, we will make another memory or another variable. It is memory 2, and it will be saved 6. After that we will change this with the new one, the new index that has been deleted. It is 7. Now it means that the 7 is right now, it will be in here, or it will be the first empty index in here, like that. Empty is equals to 7, and then because we will delete this node, so we also keep the connection from this to this to do something like that. We should change the next of this node to be the next of this one that has been deleted. So we will use this memory 1 to do that. So in 10 or in here we will try to change this next to 3, like that. After we change this next, so we will try to change this next to the 6, because it has connected to the empty linked list, not in the linked list anymore. Okay, so we will use the memory number 2. We will change it with this. We can let this value like this, or we can also change this with 0. It optionally for you, and If you let this value is 15 like this, like the previous, so it will not has any effect in your linked list anymore. So yeah, you can let this like this. Okay, I think that's enough to illustrate about linked list insert and delete, and about the code. I will show you a little bit here. I just copy it from the module like this. It means that the type def struct, like before in the linked list pointer. It's same with that. The difference is it is with array, with max of course, and if the linked list pointer is not have max of size in here. So we need list and list, empty and empty, like that. Insert 7 is for the prototype to insert node that has been explained in here before, and the syntax is like this. If it will be insert in beginning like this, and insert in end like this, insert in the middle like this. Print list and then the delete, remove the beginning, and see. I think the delete is a task for you, so you can do that by yourself. Okay, so I think it's enough for me about explanation about linked list, using array, how to insert and how to delete. I think it's enough. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video.